Welcome to the future of augmented reality payment. We are using gesture payment. Now, did you see how fast that payment was? Now let me give you more of specifics. So let me give you a background information of our go-to market potential. A VR AR market by 2020 is estimated to be a $150 billion market. If you look at Pokemon Go, the viral game, it peaked activity in user base 2016 for 45 million people. And it grossed $500 million in 60 days. That's really exciting news. And potential partners, Sony Computer Entertainment, Tencent, Microsoft Game Studios, Nintendo, Activision Blizzard. It's a really exciting market to be in the VR and AR world. Let's take a look at the architecture of how our app is formed. We have the cloud of Visa APIs in the left here. And that is being called by our Unity game engine. Unity game engine is the same game engine used by Pokemon Go. So we are currently using Visa APIs of Visa Checkout, geolocation-based locator, merchant locator, and merchant loyalty. VR hand gesture payment, what is it about? We're first having the scenario of the person, some sort of Oculus Rift headset gear, and he's in a game, augmented reality game. He's authenticating with the palm of his hand, biometrics. After you log in, you can play the game. And since we already have and also your credit card credentials within the game, with a single gesture, you can make a payment. We will show you in the demo.
Welcome to the future of commerce. Handprint authenticated. Transaction complete.
A second scenario you can use this augmented reality hand gesture payment is for physical stores, trying to get rid of the long lines in certain bookstores or certain grocery stores. Our friend Joe here, for example, goes to a Barnes & Noble store. He opens up the application and he authenticates with the palm of his hand, scans the item he wants to buy. He does the simple gesture and he just walks out the store. He doesn't have to wait in line since he paid for it with his phone already. And once the RFID chip is authenticated to be paid in the cloud, he can just walk through theft protection bars without any hassle.